In this video, I will share with you my secret affiliate, Cash Vault number 1. I want to show you how I select offers from my secret vault, which makes me money every time. First, if you don't have a high converting offer, you can never make money with affiliate offers. So let's get started and I'll show you how the selection process is done. First, type in www.warriorplus.com in your browser. It's a simple website. If you haven't created your free account yet, please do so because this is where we are going to do our business. Once you're already inside Warrior Plus, you have to click on the Marketplace button. This is where you can see the offers which are launched on a daily basis. Now over here, let's click on Top Sellers. This is the place where Warrior Plus publishes their top sellers and the product they are offering. You can see their top sellers daily, yesterday, last 7 days, and 30 days ago. So you are sure that all the offers here are the highest converting products inside Warrior Plus. These offers are loved by customers. They are very high demand, and that's why these offers are seen on the page. Which also means that we can be sure before sending any kind of traffic that these particular offers are going to convert for us. I'll show you an example by clicking on the number 1 product today. Let's take a look at the offer, how the sales page looks like, and all the information about the product you can find. At this point, your task is to do background check on which products you and your possible subscribers are most interested in. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more technique of selecting high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And then I'll teach you a technique on how to get approved by the product creator as the affiliate in Warrior Plus. In the last video, I've shown you how to select high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. In this video, we'll dig deeper into the process of selecting high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. Plus, I want to show you a simple way of getting approved by a product vendor even if you're a complete newbie. This is because product creator have the ability to check an affiliate's credentials, and thus they might just rely on your new stats when deciding whether to allow you to promote for them or not. So I'm teaching you how to overcome these particular dilemmas in this video as well. First, let's go back to warriorplus.com. Click on Affiliates and then Offers on this page. On this page, you'll see the latest affiliate offers inside Warrior Plus. On the right side of the page, you can see the number of sales that I've gotten to the products I've promoted. On the other hand, these notification signs that you see are for new offers that just launched. When you visit the page, you can see all these different details like product vendor, launch date, sales conversion rate, etc. Now we have to look at 2 important things. Number 1, take your cursor over here where you can see the red oval with dollar signs. These are the top 1% vendors. You can also see gold ovals with dollar signs. These are the top 5% vendors. This means these vendors are really making big sales and they should be on top of your list. Number 2, check how many sales they've got. If they have 500 plus sales, it is converting very well. Then look at their conversion rate over here. Anything which is above 12% is considered very well. Even 10% is fair enough. So you have to choose offers which are converting above 10 to 12%. Next, check their visitor value, and it must be more than $1. So again, you have to look at these parameters. Number 1, check the 1 to 5% vendors. Only promote these legit sellers who are promoting or launching good offers all the time. Then the sales should be at least 500 plus, and the conversion rate should be 12%. Let's say the sales are just a 50 plus or 100, but the conversion is 20%. Then that is still good. This just means that a new product which is just launched may be a few hours back. Anything above 12% conversion rate is good. The higher, the better. Another thing you should be checking is the visitor value, which should be $1 plus. You'll notice all the offers at the top of the list have fulfilled these criteria. So once you've checked the above, the next step is to click the Request button for these offers. Once you do that, it will take you to a particular page, and then you have to click on the Request Approval button. You can also click View Sales Page and have a look at their preview. If you are a complete newbie and don't have credentials, there's one thing you can do. Click the vendor's name and you can already see his profile. When you go to the bottom of the page, you can see Connected Accounts. Let's click on Facebook, and here is the complete ninja trick you can do as a newbie. When you are already on his Facebook account, message him saying that you're a new person in affiliate marketing, but you're building your list. You can also say, I have targeted traffic and aware of the importance of staying away from junk sources. So please allow me to promote your products. You can mention the name of your marketing mentor if it matters. Tell them you'll send them good traffic from the traffic sources which you can mention. You can also tell them you don't mind being set to delayed commission if you're okay with the terms. And if you want to go the extra mile, you could prepare your bonus page or review video in advance. This way you're not only reaching out to the vendor and building rapport, you're also showing you've done your homework. So most of the time, they approve newbies like you. But if you don't do this and the vendor just sees your newbie account with 0 sales, they will not accept you 99% of the time. So follow these steps and you'll be able to select the highest converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And you'll also be able to get approved, ready to go and promote. In the next video, I'll show you another marketplace, aka Secret Affiliate Cash Vault number 2, where you can make money on a daily basis and how to select offers inside that marketplace. Welcome to another module. In the last videos, we've told you about one of my secret affiliate vaults, which is Warrior Plus. In this module, we'll talk about another affiliate marketing vault I use to make affiliate commissions. This one is called JVZoo. It's a very popular affiliate marketing website around the globe. The website is www.jvzoo.com, and I'm inside my own dashboard right now. Once you're inside JVZoo, you can register for a free account by inserting your PayPal and your required personal or business information. If you have any apprehensions regarding starting up your account, just go to the PDF guide once again. Now, the big question comes. How do you select the actual offers which are going to convert for you on JVZoo? First, you have to go to Marketplace and click on Top Sellers. Once you do that, JVZoo by default shows you all the top selling offers for today, yesterday, the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. You can be sure these are the high converting offers, and it's more likely they are going to work for you once you send in the right traffic. Another way is to go to Affiliates and you click on Find Products. Then JVZoo shows you all the top offers starting from the first day inside JVZoo. You can also sort them out by the launch date and you can see the offers in ascending order. You can see here all the offers. You are like inside the ocean of high converting affiliate offers, which you can promote for free and sometimes even keep 100% commissions. How cool is that? In the next video, I'll show you the simple trick on how you get approved inside JVZoo by the product vendors. This is very important for newbies who might get rejected. See you there. In this video, I'll show you how to get approved inside JVZoo. This is especially important for people who haven't started making any kind of sales inside JVZoo or have just created an account. So after you've selected the product you want to promote, how do you get approved as a newbie marketer? Just click on the affiliate details and JVZoo will take you inside the product creator's profile. You will see here that there is a request permission button. You need to fill out the form to request permission to promote the product. Just like in Warrior Plus, you can tell them how you want to promote this particular offer, your traffic method, details about your list, if any, and you just have to wait for approval. A cool trick to use is telling them that you've been selling in a different affiliate marketplace like Warrior Plus, and you are new to JVZoo, so you already got a list, When I started, I was very honest. I told them that I haven't tried selling as an affiliate marketer, but here's the thing. I'll be selling it.